Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B1648 pertains to an issue with the passenger's door left front LF antenna circuit being open, indicating a potential disconnection or fault in the circuit. The body control module, BCM, is responsible for monitoring this circuit and will store this diagnostic trouble code when an abnormality is detected. The front passenger's door LF antenna is integrated into the front passenger's door outer handle, meaning its functioning is vital for components like keyless entry systems. The BCM plays a critical role in ensuring the seamless operation of vehicle accessories related to entry and security features. This presentation will delve into how you can systematically diagnose and repair the error based on the Honda Service Manual guidelines. The error described by DTC B1648 indicates a disconnection of the front passenger's door LF antenna circuit. This antenna is crucial for functions such as keyless entry and is integrated into the front passenger's door outer handle. The body control module, or BCM, monitors this antenna and assesses whether the circuit is operational. If the BCM detects that the antenna line is disconnected or shows abnormal readings, it will log this error code, indicating a fault requiring attention. Proper locations for the BCM and the antenna should be well identified. The BCM is generally located within the vehicle's dashboard area, while the antenna resides specifically within the front passenger's door handle assembly. Several possible causes can lead to the DTC B1648 being triggered. An open wire in the circuit may interrupt the signals necessary for the BCM to function correctly, which can be due to wear, damage, or manufacturing faults. A faulty body control module could also generate this error. If the module isn't processing signals correctly, it will not register the antenna's status accurately. Finally, a defective LF antenna itself could be the culprit, resulting in no signals being sent or received, leading to a failure in the system. Each of these components plays a significant role within the vehicle's electrical system, and diagnosing each potential fault is crucial for proper resolution of the DTC. When encountering DTC B1648, certain symptoms may manifest, indicating a need for corrective action. One of the primary symptoms is failure of the keyless entry system, whereby the vehicle's locks may not respond as expected when attempting to use the key fob. Additionally, door lock mechanisms may exhibit malfunctioning behavior, potentially remaining locked or unlocked without user input. You may also notice warning indicators lit up on the vehicle's dashboard, specifically related to doors or security systems. These observable issues serve as significant red flags, prompting further inspection and testing of the relevant components to rectify the error condition. Initiating the diagnostic process involves performing a Health Diagnostic System (HDS) self-check. This is an integral first step, as it allows for a comprehensive review of all systems in the vehicle, monitoring for trouble codes, including DTC B1648. During this self-check, ensure that the DTC is stored in the system, as this confirms the presence of an ongoing issue. Furthermore, it is essential to check for any related trouble codes that might provide additional context regarding the malfunctioning circuit or component. This initial evaluation forms the basis for a structured diagnostic approach and is vital for accurate troubleshooting. The next step in troubleshooting DTC B1648 involves a focused inspection of the EXT FRAS Plus wiring. This step requires checking for continuity in the wiring, ensuring there are no breaks or faults present. Using a multimeter, measure the resistance across the EXT FRAS Plus circuit and confirm it is under 1 ohm, which is equal to optimal conditions. If the resistance exceeds this value or if continuity is absent, It suggests an open circuit, necessitating further investigation and potential repairs. Ensuring the integrity of the wiring is crucial, as any breaches can disrupt the signaling necessary for the BCM's operation. Following the EXT-FRAS Plus wiring check, it's imperative to perform a similar evaluation on the EXT-FRAS- wiring. This involves ensuring that the circuit has continuity and is free from any defects. Again, using a multimeter, you should measure the resistance. It too must be under 1 ohm to confirm optimal function. If resistance readings are higher, this indicates an issue within the circuit that needs to be remedied, as the BCM relies on both circuits functioning correctly for accurate performance. Any faults detected at this stage will guide you in identifying where repairs or replacements are necessary. If prior inspections confirm the integrity of the external circuit, your attention should shift to the body control module itself. Testing the BCM with the HDS is necessary to check for any internal faults. This test will ascertain whether the module can process input signals appropriately. It's critical to isolate the BCM as a variable in the equation. If it fails this inspection, it directly indicates that the BCM is the source of the problem. Such inspection procedures are essential for diagnosing complex circuits where multiple components can influence performance. Finally, if all preceding inspections point to functioning conditions, it is time to assess the front passenger's door LF antenna itself. This inspection focuses on confirming its integrity and operational capability. If defects or malfunctions are found, replacing the antenna will likely resolve the issues leading to DTC B1648. It is essential to ensure that the antenna is correctly integrated with the door's handle and that there are no obstructions. Faults in this antenna will directly leverage the BCM's ability to process keyless entry signals, making its functionality vital in the overall operation of the vehicle. After the necessary repairs have been performed, a final verification is crucial to ensure the effectiveness of the work done. Begin by clearing the DTCs from the system using the HDS, which prepares the system for a fresh evaluation. Following this, re-perform the self-check to verify if any diagnostic trouble codes reappear. This step is vital as it confirms that the prior issues have been rectified. Once you have confirmed that no persistent errors are present, this indicates that the repairs were successful and the vehicle is back to optimal operation. To prevent issues like DTC B1648 from recurring in the future, implementing regular preventive maintenance practices is essential. Regularly inspecting the circuits associated with the front passenger's door LF antenna can help catch potential issues before they escalate. Ensure that all electrical connections remain tight and secure, as loose connections can lead to disconnections or faults that trigger DTC storage. It's also wise to monitor BCM performance consistently where applicable, as routine checks can help identify any anomalies early on. These practices foster longevity and reliability within the vehicle's electrical systems. In conclusion, diagnosing DTC B1648 requires a thorough and systematic troubleshooting approach to identify the root causes effectively. By understanding the roles of the various components involved, from the BCM to the LF antenna, technicians can isolate the problem with precision. Each step in the diagnostic process acts as a guide, leading you through verification and inspections to ensure effective repairs are implemented. By adhering to detailed diagnostic protocols as illustrated in this guide, you can offer reliable solutions and prolong the functionality of the vehicle's electrical system. This comprehensive approach not only aids in punctual resolutions, but also enhances the overall driving experience for owners of the Honda Accord 2023 and beyond. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.